Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of interior design and exploring how rugs and carpets can add a luxurious look to your home. From enhancing the aesthetic appeal to creating a cozy atmosphere, rugs and carpets are versatile decor elements that can elevate any space. Let's dive in. 1. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. One of the primary ways rugs and carpets can add a luxury look to your home is by enhancing its aesthetic appeal. The right rug or carpet can serve as a focal point in a room, tying together various design elements and adding visual interest. Whether you opt for a bold pattern, rich texture, or luxurious material, a well-chosen rug or carpet can instantly elevate the overall look and feel of your space. 2. Creating a cozy atmosphere. In addition to aesthetics, rugs and carpets also play a crucial role in creating a cozy atmosphere in your home. There's nothing quite like sinking your feet into a soft, plush rug or carpet after a long day. The warmth and comfort they provide can make your home feel inviting and luxurious, encouraging relaxation and enjoyment of your living spaces. 3. Adding texture and dimension. Furthermore, rugs and carpets can add texture and dimension to your home interior. Whether you choose a rug with a high pile, a shaggy texture, or a hand-woven pattern, the tactile quality of rugs and carpets can bring depth and visual interest to your floors. By layering different textures and materials, you can create a luxurious and multi-dimensional look that elevates your home decor. 4. Providing sound insulation. Another benefit of rugs and carpets is their ability to provide sound insulation. Hardwood floors and tiled surfaces can contribute to echo and noise levels in your home. By adding rugs and carpets to these spaces, you can absorb sound and reduce reverberation, creating a more serene and luxurious environment. 5. Customizing your space. Lastly, rugs and carpets offer endless opportunities for customization, allowing you to tailor your space to your unique style and preferences. Whether you opt for a custom-designed rug, a bespoke carpet pattern, or a personalized color scheme, investing in rugs and carpets that reflect your taste and personality can add a truly luxurious touch to your home interior. And there you have it, how rugs and carpets can add a luxurious look to your home interior. From enhancing aesthetic appeal and creating a cozy atmosphere to adding texture and dimension, rugs and carpets are versatile decor elements that can transform any space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and share it with your friends who love luxury interiors.